We want justice.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.
The people in that building behind us are willing to seek the sanctuary and harvest the votes from the people out here. And enough is enough now. If you don't look after us, why should we look after you?
My name's Johnny Mercer. I was the Minister for Veterans. I left the government over these trials in Northern Ireland, and I hope that we can finally achieve change.
Somebody's come down from Aberdeen. They're all that road.
We need justice for the troops, especially Operation Banner troops.
It's just disgusting, this day of age, that we're hounding our men, dragged out their bedrooms in the middle of the night to go and face some court.
Enough of the betrayal of all our troops. You send us, look after us. Don't want to look after us, don't send us.
They've had enough time, they've made their promises, do something about it.
Enough is enough.
Never have got to this stage under any circumstances, and it's politicians of all parties who've dropped us in the deep and smelly.
Stop this persecution of soldiers who voluntarily joined the armed services to represent this country and fight for our democracy.
We've come all the way from Blackpool because we believe enough is enough.
Set your up banner veterans, enough is enough. We've been there, done it, you sent us here, now look after us.
Take a serious look at what you're doing. For people that serve your country, the government sent us there to do these jobs, and then you're doing this to us. It's outrageous.
Stop the persecution of people who were doing the job that they were sent there to do by the politicians of the day.